Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to turn on Bluetooth in Samsung TV. Let's go. Press mute 119 OK. Press 1 2 3 4. Option MRT option. Bluetooth support. Turn on. Turn off TV and turn on TV. Wait. Let's check it out. Open Source. Connection Guide. Select device type. Bluetooth. Turn on the pairing mode on your device. Set up now. Select your device. That's it. Now you know how to turn on Bluetooth in Samsung TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.